Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy baked chicken thighs recipe. I make this recipe all the time. It's so delicious and very simple. Let's get started. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe. Make sure your chicken is very well patted dry because we're going to season them with some dry rub. In this bowl, I have some brown sugar, paprika, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Mix all the spices together very well, then season the chicken on both sides. For maximum flavor, I like to lift and season under the skin. This extra step really gets the seasonings into the chicken. Make sure you do that with every single piece of chicken thigh. Then turn them over and season the other side as well. Once the chicken is very well seasoned, you're going to set them aside. Then grab an oven-safe pan or a baking pan. I went ahead and sliced some onions. I'm going to place them into the pan. Then I'm going to top the onions with the seasoned chicken thighs. Next, I'm going to add a whole lot of crushed garlic. Just place them in between the chicken thighs. For some fresh flavor, we're going to add some fresh thyme. Place those in between the chicken as well. Last, I'm going to top each chicken thigh with some butter. The butter is going to melt into the chicken and give the skin a nice crisp to it. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. And this is what the chicken looks like when it's done. The aroma is so delicious. This will have your home smelling so good. My favorite part of this recipe is the sauce. The sauce is so flavorful and delicious. I make this recipe at least once a week. The chicken is not only delicious, but the sauce is heartwarming. You can serve this chicken recipe over some rice. I served mine with baked sweet potatoes. The chicken came out very juicy and packed with flavor. Make sure you eat the chicken with the onions and garlic. They're so delicious together. If you guys would like to try this easy baked chicken thighs recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.